Hello and welcome to my Herbalist channel. Today we will be going out and foraging. So although it's January, where I live it's still pretty warm, so there should be some things for us to forage. So let's get to it. We are now down by the bayou, and so we have found plantain. So this specific variety of plantain, it is a narrow leaf variety. This is Plantago lanceolata. Now this one is the one that's typically used in teas and stuff for its mucilage content and for irritated lungs and such. And here's some more over here. So you can tell plantain apart by its basal rosette. So all of its leaves come out of the bottom. There's no stem or anything until it flowers. But all of its leaves they all just grow out of this single point in the base. And this is one variety of plantain, but there is also another right over here that I'll show you. Down over here, this is broadleaf plantain. So you notice the last one had leaves the same from the bottom to the top. It was just you saw the ridges. This one, there's a bit of a stem to it, and then we have the more round looking leaves right here. Here's a close-up. And this one also, it's starting to go to seed. So when plantain produces seeds, they come out of the bottom and the middle of the leaves in little stalks that look like this. It's pretty similar to the narrow leaf variety, except that in the broadleaf variety, usually the seeds go further down, whereas in the narrow leaf variety, the seeds are usually concentrated at the top. So the narrow leaf variety is Plantago lanceolata, and this one is Plantago major. Here is a side-by-side of the leaves for comparison, and here's their undersides. This is Plantago major, broadleaf plantain, and narrowleaf plantain, Plantago lanceolata. So what I like to do with plantain is I have tried tincturing them, but when you put it in an alcohol solvent, it doesn't extract that mucilage that you want. So the best way to do plantain would be to dry it and put it in tea. And also you can dry it and then infuse it in oil and use that oil to make salves. That's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute foraging demonstration. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and you can see more videos just like this.